How to report a message on Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report messages on Imo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo. Once we are here, choose the conversation you want. For example, the first one. Now all you need to do is keep clicking on the message you want to report. For example, this one. And now you have the last option. They're gonna give you those options, and you have the last option, which is access. Click on it. Like you say, reported. When you click on access, they report the message automatically. Keep clicking on the message you want and click on access. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.